In today's video, we'll be comparing the 6 best folding bike that are designed for different kinds of users in 2020. We will take into quality, fit and comfort, features, and price, so you can decide which is best for you. All the products on our list were selected based on their own inherent strengths and features, so if you want to know the last price and other more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below. Give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want the video like this in the next episode. That's it, now let's get started with the videos. Starting up with number 6, we have the Dahon Speed Uno folding bike. It is a folding single-speed bike with a rear coaster brake. It has a magnetic latching system that holds the bike together when folded, and the lightweight chromoly frame weighs 24.2 pounds. Also, it is a universal folding bike, which enables you to ride the bike on flat streets in urban areas. It features a minimal design, with no V-brakes, no brake levers, and no cables. Moreover, the brake requires less maintenance and performs better on wet roads. Another advantage is that it offers a single speed with gear inches of 64 centimeters. It is equipped with the double lock system that ensures every latch that holds the bike together is a secondary locking mechanism to ensure utmost safety. At number 5, we have the EuroMini ZiZZO Campo. At $250, the EuroMini ZiZZO Campo comes with rust-resistant, coated 7-speed cassette and change to make travel on roads and hills a breeze. The Euro layer is attached to the frame with an aluminum hanger, which helps absorb impacts and lessens the chance of damage to the Euro gear. Also, it has a responsive Shimano 7-speed grip shifter integrated into the handlebar for shifting on the go with ease. It offers an easy single folding aluminum alloy stem, and the handlebar can also be rotated to best adjust to your hand position while riding. The seat post height can be adjusted to provide you with your most comfortable riding position. Moreover, the adjustable alloy clamps secure the seat post, handlebar post height, and handlebar brake lever orientation. Plus, its aluminum alloy V-brakes and lightweight design provide the bike with the stopping power you need when called upon. At number 4, we have the Schwinn Loop adult folding bike. Currently priced $232, it has a super low standover aluminum frame that allows for easy access, while the large fold-down rear basket allows for maximum storage. Also, it features full wrap fenders, Springer seat, and swept-back handlebars for comfort. The broad upright handlebars adjust from 37 to 40 inches high and provide a 1-speed design that allows for mechanical simplicity and low maintenance. Moreover, it has 7-speed Shimano grip shifters with a Shimano rear derailleur for quick and smooth gear changes, which will come in handy on windy days and on city streets that are more hilly than they look. The folded size is 29.5 inches by 29 inches by 19 inches and features a kickstand and durable steel hinges. At number 3, we have the Vilano Urbana single-speed folding bike. The Vilano Urbana single-speed folding bike makes us a superb commuter for the reasonable price. It features a lightweight alloy designed for easy carrying, and this single-speed folding bike requires minimal maintenance. With its coaster brake and 1-speed gear system, there are no brake cables or shifters and almost nothing to maintain or adjust. At only 21.5 pounds, this is one of the lightest folding bikes available. However, the unique quick-release bracket system makes this aluminum folding bike easy to set up and break down. Additionally, it offers an extra 2-foot-long Velcro strap, which is excellent for holding a folded bike together. At number 2, we have the Dahon Boardwalk folding bike. This folding bike is made out of chrome, which makes the bike virtually indestructible and weighs at 27.3 pounds. Also, the seat is adjustable and can either be entirely replaced or adjusted regarding height, and the bike can hold up to 230 pounds or 105 kilograms. It has no derailleur and therefore only one single speed. It is designed as a city bike and it can be used on bumpy streets. Moreover, it features 20-inch wheels and coaster brakes. It also offers a front handbrake for better stopping power. Another advantage is that the frame is made to have high tensile steel, so it's going to be sturdy, yet still lightweight. And on the other hand, there's a reflector at the front and rear and on the wheels and pedals to help keep you safe at night. The last product on our list is the Montague Boston single-speed folding bike. It is a full-size single-speed folding bike featuring 700C wheels for ideal riding in the city. This bike also includes a flip-flop hub, so the rear wheel can operate as either a fixed gear or free-wheel setup. The Click's quick release and the patented folding system convert the folding bike from full size to trunk size in less than 20 seconds. Plus, it features a 42x16T single speed with a drivetrain that centers around flop hub and allows for freewheel and fixed gear riding. It has a chain guard integrated into the design to help keep chain grease off clothing and legs. Moreover, the brakes are ProMax dual pivot calipers, and there's a Montague branded saddled with a cutout mounted on a 27.2mm alloy seat post. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.